Hello, this is Nick Ruiz with Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and RVs here in Piqua, Ohio. Today I'm showing you a 2005 Chevy 2500 HD pickup. Stock number CP13581AT. This pickup is an LT. It's equipped with the Duramax 6.6 turbo diesel. It is a full crew cab. It's got fog lights, 16-inch rims and tires. Good looking truck. Body's in great shape. Leather seats. Of course, it's got CD player, AM/FM, cruise control, power windows, locks, mirrors, heated seats, power seat, power windows, locks, mirrors. Nice leather bench in the back here. Once again, it is the full crew. Chrome step bars on it. 4x4. Again, it's a Chevy 2500 HD. Bed liner. Tow package. Truck's a pewter in color. Real solid body, good looking truck. Big tow mirrors on it. Perfect for pulling a big camper or trailer. Again, this is a 2005 Chevy 2500 HD. Here at Sherry Chrysler Dodge Jeep and RVs in Piqua, Ohio. Come see Nick.